Greetings, dear tutor and college. My name is Silvia Juliana de la Cárdenas. I enrolled at Business Administration program at SEAD Bucaramanga. Then I'm going to tell you about the Nestlé company. This company is dedicated to manufacture of food. I decided to choose this company since how much with a high contamination index because most of the products it manufactures and markets are in single-use plastic containers, and this has caused millions of protests, monitoring, audits, and criticism of this company. Nestlé is a company that produces more than 1.7 million tons of plastic containers per year. That is, this was in 2018, and with an increase of 13% more than previous year. Greenpeace, an environmental company, was dedicated to creating a giant animal with all the plastic that this company produced and was in charge of taking it to where it is located, so that with this awareness is achieved and the use of the plastic is stopped. In addition to demanding that they have labor transparency in terms of the actual amounts of plastic that they produce and dispose of year after year, and so that it executes an action plan where they commit to reduce the total of units, packaging and single-use containers. And it is also said that they must send false solution again with substitute materials that in the same way continue to pollute the planet, since they do not have such a legal vacuum to force them to be ecological. The ecological solution to this problem would be to create laws whereby these companies are forced to be as ecological as possible, to be recycling companies that avoid plastic, since it is the main source of pollution in the seas, river, as well as creating awareness in the consumer that if they see that it's not a brand that is friendly with the environment, they try not to consume its products and opt for other alternatives that are not so harmful to the environment. With this, the company is losing consumers and having allowed a monitoring that requires them to begin to lower the level of plastic produced by themselves, and this will help us prevent it from ending up in the seas where many turtle or fish will simply die every day. Thank you.